We back outside again. Yes, sir. It's your boy. It's just Dre. Check out the lineup, bro. Jeez, just keep going and keep going and keep going. God damn. Back at it. Speed Advocate had the last summer cruise. This time we went to G-Town. Had to pull up. You know what I'm saying? I got my boy Nara with me. Woo. Yes, sir. So this gonna be one for the books. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boys like to subscribe. Comment down below. Catch up to some action. Oh, I'm recording all stupid. Oh, my bad, my bad. Right now we like at the front of the pack, but we have one more stopping point, and then we're gonna go to Galveston. So at the stopping point, I'm gonna kind of like show y'all all the different cars that's on this this cruise. Like any car you can think of, bro, is on this cruise right now. So I'm gonna just show y'all around, like get a little footage of like, all the cars that came out tonight, and then go from there. I just want to show y'all a little POV just while I'm driving. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I'm giving y'all some good content, good quality content. You know. So y'all just sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Yes, sir. Out here.
4K. Oh my god. Let's see what we got. 392. Buku 5.0s. Well, tire, wheel setup. Scatty. C8 clean as hell. Love the color.
I just kept up with that bad over there. Yeah.
Sheesh. Just line up. Okay. It usually be deeper than this, but I'll take it. I think we still pretty deep. Probably like what? Got gap cams. Gee, okay. Tire with the gap cam. Okay, big turbo. Sheesh. Make sure I'm getting this shit okay. Like I said, any car you can think of is out here. We have the SUV Ford ST, big brakes over there. I know you see him. That whole hard. He got it lowered on everything. TRX, Corvettes. Boy, it's deep. Well, my boy Nargo. Damn. Subi. Line up over here is stupid. Ooh. 5050. It's probably a Scat. Hellcat one of them. Yes, sir. Then we still got, I think we still got a couple more people coming. But it's pretty dope. This Corvette C6 is stupid. Got the Ford's wheels, front and back. Oh my god. Porsche over there. Yes, sir. Out here. Yes, sir. Out here. More people pulling up. See? That's how we do it down here in the H, baby. Yes, sir. Fun things. Well, he went inside. Fun things. I'm kind of upset. Well, I ain't gonna upset about it, really. Hard. Another one on a tire wheel system. Dopey. Clean. C7 clean. Yes, sir. Go my car. Narga, so go father's clothes, man. I'm a dope as fuck. Dope actor fathers. Yes, sir. Always. I think I got clean. That whole chopping tool, clean as food. See, carbon trim, hard. Yes, sir. Still got people pulling up. Out here, deep as hell. He parked all in the front. C6, nasty.
almost hit something. That was a good ass run.
In a half mile, take exit 1C.
Eddies.
Take exit 1C onto Farm to Market Road 188, Texas 275 toward Teichman Road, Harborside Drive. Drive south in 1 mile, take exit 1B.
Got that on video.
In a half mile, take exit 1B.
CA coming up on the right side of me. See the thundercloud.
Take exit 1B toward 71st Street. Onto 71st Street.
I'm trying to watch. I almost hit something on the road. Trying to drive and do this at the same time, bro, is crazy.
Drive east on Interstate 45 South, Gulf Freeway, then take exit 1A.
I can't. Bro, they was running early, but I did not get that on video. I was upset, but I got that one though.
Take exit 1A onto Spur 342.
We outside. Good turnout. Good turnout. Yes, sir. Top. Got my boy here, Titan Q50, getting that content. Yes, sir. Q gang. Yes, sir. We out here. I'm on a Corvette now. See? Look at that license plate.
That's what I'm saying, but then
It'll gap you.
That extra, I think, but 25, what's the matter? I got everything at the house. I'm gonna check it out now. Like I said, man, it should have been so long since I put this shit on. But yeah, that's all I know, man. I'm gonna check that name out. I'm gonna hit you.
Some kicks on. Got the thunder clouds is clapping. Do it one more time. Do it for the camera. Do it for the camera. There you go.
have my phone on fucking charge. Let's go. 2%.
Yeah, I have mine was on focus on it. It's the super.
On the after like daytime and then here in the morning. So they should do this in the morning.
Tough. Porsche. Turbo S. Carrera, my bad. Carrera S, my bad.